Hi everybody, I am here at Tuesday morning and I'm going to go ahead and show you what they have in their ad. I actually found 6 different boxes from Crafter's Companion. So here's your first one. It is called Embossing Folder. There's your number. You have over 115 pieces in here. That makes a minimum of 18 cards, and this is number 9. Okay, I'll do an unboxing video later this week when I get home. Alright, so there's that one. We have this one right here. This is called Metallic Markers. Over 230 pieces. Makes a minimum of 24 cards. Box number 8. And this is what you have in your box. Okay, so that's box number 2. Then we have circle die cutting. Over 266 pieces. Makes a minimum of 24 cards. Box number 7. And here's what you get in it. Okay. Then we have Aqua Markers. I'm kind of excited about this one. It's that you get 120 different pieces. It makes a minimum of 18 cards. This is box number 6. And here's what you get in it. Okay. This one I'm kind of excited about too. They're calling it Quilling Flower Kit, but I don't see quilling in here. Maybe in the UK they may use the word quilling differently than we do over here. But look, it's going to show you how to make all these flowers. So you get over 225 elements in here. Box number 5. And there you go. And then we have Build a Scene. There you go. Over 125 elements. Makes a minimum of 19 cards. This is box number 10. And here's everything that you get in it.